Where are we?
We're in Newcastle.
Where are we right now?
We are on the Tyne.
Like this?
We're in the Tyne. The Tyne is our line.
Right, okay.
Walking the Tyne is all mine.
Show me, look.
Here we are. Tyne Bridge, and then we got down the river that way. I have no idea what's north, south, east, west. So far west we're east. No, we're doing good. It's really bloody very sunny for, it's 20 past 12 midday. No, it's actually perfectly sunny for 20 past 12. I thought it was earlier than that. I've been not feeling well. I think I've caught whatever Sam got towards the end.
Isn't it you got
of,
shit?
I do have the shits.
Very bad, he's been in toilet.
I've caught whatever Sam had at the end of our Peru trip. Got some deli belly, just whatever the equivalent in Peru is. But yeah, I'm feeling alright now. I've been chugging juice to rehydrate, and I'm feeling pretty tasty right now. The first game's kicking off soon. We thought we'd investigate around Newcastle, see what was going on, and yeah, just trying to think of more Geordie slang. Can't really. That's Westlake. Honking. Nah, no idea. Anyway, we are out and about, loving life.
Hi, it's Amy here.
Too much?
Street food. We'll think about what you're going to say before
Okay.
I can edit it, it's fine.
There's also
You're going to
birds-
look it on you like this. It looks best on the
No,
camera.
I like the way I'm holding it.
No, but you're looking up your nose.
Okay, that's good.
No.
But when we're watching the video, it's going to be like this.
Better, and further away.
Further away.
So get an arm like that. About that distance.
A straight arm is best.
Anyway, I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like
How's the
lines
view up
of
Amy's
birds.
nose?
It's good. Mum, I'm not asking for your opinion. I want to do it like this because this is how I like to do
Listen
it.
to him.
I like.
How to use it.
Okay, but I like it like this. I'm seeing where I am, and I like where I
Amy's
am.
point of view.
Exactly, it's Amy's point of view. It's Amy's little special area. Okay, you got the turtle
Give me
going
the
on there.
turtle there. I
Yeah.
gave you the best. Didn't film it though, did you? Not there.
There's lots of people around here. Can you see the people? There's lots of them. I'm a little bit worried. I don't like standing
Whatever
here.
we
Can we leave?
If we order one, then we just share it.
We're not leaving, bro. Amy's scared of the accent around here.
I think it's quite attractive, actually.
You're literally attractive to anything that resembles a man.
You with tattoos. My legs are a bit sweaty. I don't like this. I want a tan. So I want a tan. I want to be a bronzed goddess. I might just fake tan when I get home though. I look wonky. Okay, I'm done.
Just had some traditional Geordie food. I think it was wontons. I don't know. There is no traditional Geordie food. We're this place where they do like mac and cheese. There's like Greek places, Japanese places, hamburger place. Dad, Mum, Amy.
Me.
Looks a bit dark, but I'll fix that in post-production.
Hair down.
I don't know what I'm voting for.
Put it back on.
Get it off me.
I literally put the camera on.
It's literally sweating.
Try it.
I've got one.
Try it. For a look. Try a look.
Oh, it's like I'll undo the. I don't know
I'll
what
go
you
on.
said. You said undo.
Come on, go brighter. Here we are, about to walk into our Platinum Club area for day 2, Magic Weekend, it's Sunday.
It's all froze, isn't it? Oh, that's way too much. Love you.
Nearly.
Go on, Brody, mate.
Come on, Brody, mate, make the play.
Oh.
Replacement for Westfield Giants on number 15, Joe Greenwood, and his place on 27, Jack Ashworth.
So we're now leaving the ground. The end of a 2-day rugby marathon. It's been great. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Great weather, friendly people, a few beers. It's been great. And now we're going to head home. 6 hours. Not really looking forward to that part, but hey, you know, got to be done.
So thus concludes Jones's weekend at Magic, St James's Park, Newcastle. Whoop, it's about to go dark. Whoosh. It's been a hell of a weekend personally. I've been a big fan of rugby league, particularly this season, in my final year at uni, and getting the opportunity to watch it live, 6 games. Well, I mean, we left after the 5th. Unfortunately, we didn't see the whole derby, but it's 6 hours for us to drive home. Both my parents are working tomorrow early, so yeah, it's time to head home. But what an experience, loved it. It's made me want to get tickets for the World Cup. It's made me want to see more rugby league and get even more invested in it. So yeah, cracking weekend. We felt the magic.
No talk.
No speaky
No
from the big man.
No. Focused on 6-hour M1 special.
Cold-blooded killer.
Please.
Silverback. Peace out.